My name is Danielle Damianos. I'm a clinical instructor and the coordinator of the High School Student Nursing Summer Program at the Rafiq Hariri School of Nursing at AUB. Our program is a 6-day immersive summer camp that introduces high school students to the world of nursing. They gain a deep understanding of nursing roles, responsibilities, and core values. This program is designed for grade 10 and 11 students from schools across Lebanon and abroad. Over the past 2 years, we have welcomed around 120 local and international students who were curious about healthcare, passionate about caring for others, or considering nursing as their potential career path. Throughout the program, the students learn important tips about health and wellness and learn essential nursing skills that they can use in their daily lives. The skills include first aid, infection control, CPR, maintaining mental health, maintaining good posture, especially while dealing with technology nowadays, cleaning wounds, and even taking blood glucose level. As well, they learn valuable life skills such as teamwork, managing emotions, respecting values, and detecting ethical dilemmas. For all high school students who will choose the nursing summer program, it will certainly offers you a unique opportunity to experience nursing up close, to learn essential health and life-saving skills from the best faculty members and students. Our program is interactive, inspiring, and affordable for all students across Lebanon and abroad. So come with curiosity, with enthusiasm, and openness to try new things, and enjoy every moment, because this camp might shape your future.